In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow multiple responses in Google Forms. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive in. Today, we're going to create a Google form that not only lets people respond multiple times, but also gives you the ability to manage how many times each option can be selected. This is especially handy for situations like signups, appointments, or any event where you want to ensure no one overbooks particular choices, while still being able to gather multiple responses from participants. First things first, head over to Google Drive. If you're unsure how to get there, simply type drive.google.com into your browser's address bar. Once you're in Google Drive, look for the Apps section. You can find it on the top left of your screen, usually indicated by a grid icon. Click on that, and then choose Google Forms. Now you're in Google Forms. Start fresh by creating a new form. It's always best to work with a blank slate, especially when you're setting things up for a specific purpose. Once your form is open, you can start adding your questions. Think about the information you need to collect. Maybe you're creating a sign-up sheet for a workshop and want to gather choices like time slots, available seats, or other resources. As you input your questions, make sure to list your choices clearly. This step is crucial because we'll be using an add-on to control how many times each option can be selected. Clarity in your options helps prevent confusion down the line. After you've added your questions and options, it's time to bring in some extra functionality to your form. Open up the More menu in the Form Editor. This is represented by 3 dots in the top right corner of your screen. From that menu, select Get Add-ons. This is where we can find tools that will help enhance our form. In the Add-ons Marketplace, you'll want to search for Choice Limiter. You'll see a few options pop up, but the one we want is called Choice Eliminator X. Go ahead and click on that to open its page. Then hit the Install button. This will also prompt you to connect it to your Google account. After clicking Install, review the permissions that are requested. Make sure you understand what you're allowing before you approve them. Once the installation finishes, click Done to wrap things up. Now that the add-on is installed, let's go back to your form. Look for the Add-ons icon, which resembles a puzzle piece, near the top of the screen. Click on it and you'll see Choice Eliminator X among your options. Click that and then choose Start. A new panel will slide open on the right side of your screen. Here's the fun part. This is where you get to set up your limiter. Start by picking the question that contains the choices you want to control. This might be your time slots, seats, or specific resources. Once you've selected the question, it's time to assign a limit for each option. Let's say you have a workshop with only 10 seats available for one of the time slots. You would set that slot's limit to 10. The beauty of this add-on is that it will automatically track selections as respondents fill out the form. Once an option reaches its limit, it will either hide or disable that choice, while still allowing the form to accept multiple submissions. This keeps everything organized without the need for constant manual adjustments from you. Once all your limits are configured, don't forget to click Publish in the Add-ons panel to apply your settings to the form. At this point, your form is fully functional. Respondents can now submit their responses multiple times, and your options will automatically respect the limits you've set. Just a quick reminder here. For the best results, ensure that your question types are compatible with the add-on. Multiple choice or drop-down options work best. Also, clear option names and concise descriptions can greatly enhance the user experience, making it easier for them to complete the form. And that's it! You've created your form, added your options, installed the add-on, configured your limits, and published those settings, all ready for collecting multiple responses while maintaining control over your choices. Happy form building!